My name is Amber Benavides on March 3rd, 2022, CIRC03-B, making a DC toy motor accelerate, attempt for a B. To begin, we have INT motor pin equals 9, defining the pin the motor is connected to collect power from. And we have void setup, pin mode, motor pin output. Now this function runs once you turn the Arduino on, and we're setting the motor's pin to be an output. Moving along, we created our loop function, meaning it's going to run over and over again, and we named it motor acceleration, meaning that we're going to accelerate the motor to full speed, then back down to 0. Now, void motor acceleration, INT delay time equals 50 milliseconds between each step, 0.5 seconds. We have our part where we accelerate the motor. For INT, I equals 0, I is less than 256, and I++, meaning it's going to go through each speed from 0 to 255. The loop starts at 0, won't go past 256, and I increases by 1 every time the loop goes around. Analog right, motor pin I sets the new speed. Delay time, the 50 milliseconds, which is the 0.5 seconds. Now we're decelerating the motor here. For INT, I is equals to 255. I is greater than or equal to 0, and I negative. Analog right, motor pin I, delay time. It's going to go through each speed, but starting at 255, and it's going to end at 0. And after it goes through each loop, it's going to take away 1. Now onto the Arduino. I have given all power lines a red wire and all grounds a black. And here we have our red on with 5 volts of power to the breadboard and our ground aligned as well. We have our pin on 9 running to line 3, where our 2.2K resistor is limiting the amount of current running to the breadboard. Right above, but still in line with our resistor, we have a ground wire, and right below we have a green wire distributing power to one side of the motor terminal wire. And backing up, we have our transistor over here in line with our resistor, also regulating the current. As we can see, it's in line with another power wire. And right below it is our diode directing current to the same line of our second motor terminal, giving our motor power. And now it's going to accelerate. Sorry, let me pick that up. And now it's decelerating. And it's going to loop once more once it stops.